So why would now an ag specialist decide to use a drone instead of traditional methods? Well, it's pretty clear that using a drone you can fly a field and cover the whole field within a matter of minutes. We have on the eBee, we have a flight time up to 19 minutes, which will give you the possibility to cover hundreds of hectares in this time. Traditional methods means walking into the field, checking on different plants to get a result on plant health. This is much cumbersome, much more work, and takes much more time, while at the same time you're not even able to cover the whole field. While using a drone, you will get an accurate image of the health status of the complete field. So the drone here has real clear advantages in comparison to traditional methods.